What's up, everyone? It's your boy Giovanni, the G35 fan, back at it again with another video on the channel. So guys, for today's video, I thought I would just do a little tutorial on how to install fog lights for your headlights. So the fog light, meaning something like this. H4 is the one that comes with my vehicle. But there is a chart out there where you can see your specific year in your G35, whether it be a coupe or a sedan. That way you can get the right bulb for your headlight. But being that mine's an 06, mine's just the H4, and yeah, it's pretty much a plug and play, 3-prong at the end, remove and replace. Real simple. I just thought I'd do a tutorial on how to do it. Not only that, but the ones that I got, the color, it's a pink, so it's like a 4K, so that should be pretty cool, because I haven't seen a video with pink LED fog lights, so I'm wondering to see what this looks like, because the lime green ones that I had, they already went out, and yeah, I got to change it up, because the ones I have right now, I think they're more for show, being that the illumination off the yellow isn't really visible at night. So we'll see how it turns out. But been talking too much, guys, so let's get this video started. Alright guys, so like I had mentioned at the beginning of the video, these are some H4 LEDs. They're a 4K. So the reason why I thought I'd try some pink LEDs, well, one, I haven't really seen them on the G35 sedan. There might be videos out there, I could be wrong, but for the most part, I've already tried the lime green, I've tried purple, I've tried yellow, so I thought I'd try the pink. So we'll see how it turns out. But yeah, it should be real simple, just a plug and play. I like these right here because, as you can see, it has modules on both sides. So one's going to be for the fog light and one will be for your high beams. The ones that I had on here right now, I actually took this one out to show y'all. As you can see, it's a yellow, but the yellow, honestly guys, is pretty much just for show. It doesn't really illuminate anything. But yeah, these only have one setting, so I have to use them for my high beams. It doesn't have it from fog lights, so that kind of sucks. So that's why I thought I'd try these out. So we'll see how they work out. So what you want to do, if you're gonna start on the driver's side, guys, what you're gonna want to do is turn the wheel counterclockwise. If you're gonna start on the passenger side, then turn the wheel clockwise. Reason for that being is it's more accessible when it comes to removing the back of the headlight. And I'll show you, but yeah. So I'm gonna start on the driver's side and shut the car off. So I got my wheel turned all the way to the left. This is the driver's side, and all you're gonna need to do, well, if you already have everything removed like me, then it'll be easy accessible. But if not, you'll have to remove everything that covers the headlight. But so all you're gonna do is remove this one right here. So all you do is twist it just like that, and then back there, as you see, there's those there's those metal brackets. You're just gonna squeeze them together, that way it comes down like that. So you see, just squeeze it like that, like pinch it, that way it loosens up, and then you're able to remove your fog light. So all you do is just push it out just like that. Sorry, I got one hand doing all this, but like that, remove it, and there you go, your 3-prong. Then you have your new one right here, and all I do is just plug and play, and that's it. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, so got the new one plugged in. Then you're gonna want to make sure you line up these three tabs, make sure they go in perfect. So as you can see, you have 1, 2, and then 3 at the top. So it's just going to go in just like that. and then with these little brackets, squeeze them together. Okay, there you go. You have your brackets secured. Then you just tuck everything back in, and then make sure you don't pinch any of the wires. But all you do is just twist it back on, just like that. Make sure it's tight, and that's pretty much it, guys. Alright guys, so just finished installing the other fog light. Made sure everything was working properly. I actually like the way it came out, so I know you're anxious to see what it looks like. But for the most part, guys, all you got to do is just repeat the same steps that you did on the first install of the fog light, and that's pretty much it. There is 3 things that I did want to mention. Number 1, when you're doing the headlights or the fog lights installation, make sure you have your wheel turned away from the vehicle. That way it's a little more easier to, you know, get access behind the the headlight for the fog light. The second thing is when you install the new LED bulb, make sure you use those metal brackets. That way it stays secure. Reason for that being is, you know, when you're on the road at night, one light's not higher than the other, and everything's, you know, equally balanced once, you know, you have everything secure. The way I check that is I pull up to the garage and turn on the lights and make sure everything's, you know, evenly balanced. If not, you can adjust, you know, the headlights with the little dial on the side. But the third thing is you just want to make sure everything's secure. That way condensation doesn't get in, you know, the headlight. And that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure you don't pinch any of the wires. But other than that, guys, that pretty much concludes this video. Like always, man, if this was your first time tuning into the channel, do me a favor, subscribe right down below the video. And like always, hit that thumbs up, hit the notification bell, share the video, and that's pretty much it, guys. So like always, man, y'all have a great day, stay safe out there, and I'll see you on the next one. It's your boy Giovanni. Peace.